Hello, how are you? I am Amir Hamza and I am SEO specialist and having 4 years of experience working now in scalability media, and today my topic is on-page SEO, and many of the students and many of the experts and other beginners are looking to searching for a video how to do on-page SEO. And basically the on-page SEO is the thing is a practice from where we can update our web page or posties or anything else for the user or the bots. So I just write it down to optimize web page for users or bots. So in this the users, as we can use even example, we are searching how to do on page SEO. So we are the users and the bots are the Google bots are the crawlers. Bots Google bots. So there are some points through which we can do on page SEO. I'm just listed down here the some points, and you can ask me any question in the comment section box, so I will let you know more things and more details regarding to this thing. The first thing is that optimize H1 means optimize your title. The main thing is that people don't optimize their title or H1, and they didn't put their focus keyword in the H1. So basic thing is that you have to just put your main keyword in your H1. The other thing is that add or optimize keyword in headings. You have to put your main keyword or any query such like what is on page SEO, like this type. You have to put these in H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. By putting your keyword in H2, H3 and H4 and H5 and H6, you can optimize your content. And also the other thing is that when you go to write your H2, when you write any H2, then you have to write down the main thing is that the paragraph. So in the paragraph, today with the Google algorithm, you have to not put a stuffing keywords in your paragraph. So you have to just put your focus keyword maybe one time or two time. This is depend upon totally the our content length. So you have to just put keyword in paragraphs. Then the other thing is that add keyword in meta description. So this is the main point, meta description. In meta description there are about 155 to 160 characters. I'm not saying about the words. The characters are the things, just like I'm writing SEO. So SEO is a word. In this there are 3 characters. SEO 1 is 2 and O is 3. There are the 3 characters. So for the meta description you have to write 155 to 160 characters. But in this meta description you have to also put your focus keyword in this meta description. And don't add too much keywords in meta description. You have to just write an engaging meta description as relevant to your competitor. You have to do a better thing rather than your competitor. Then Google absolutely will when you are doing a good thing for the user and for the bots, then you will rank. The other thing is that you have to check your URL structure. The URL structure is the main thing, because if your keyword is how to do on-page SEO, if for example the main keyword is on-page SEO, but in URL you are not putting on-page SEO, so your URL is not totally optimized. So to optimize your URL structure, you have to just put your focus keyword in your URL structure. Image optimization. For the image optimization, you have to add at least 10 KB of image size. Not more than that. You can put more than that, but it's totally depend upon your strategies. If your image is too good, if your image is had a good quality, if you're using WP Rocket or Puff Matter and other plugins, so you can easily add more KB image. But the main thing is you can at least use 10 KB image, not more than that. And the other thing is that image optimization, you have to add a alt text, means alternative text in this, and also plus I will suggest you to write your caption, because when you write the caption and the alt text, for the alt text you have to must write down your focus keyword, just like on-page SEO. So you have to write the on-page SEO for the alt text, and also you can write in the caption, but in the caption you can write another text but relevant to your content structure. The other thing is that for the image optimization, you have to just when you download an image from Canva, just like that, you have to not just upload image as same as it. You have to just rename. What is the rename? Rename image in folder. Okay. So the other thing is that for the image optimization, you have to add a internal link or maybe external link in image. Okay, so you have to add at least 3 to 4 images as relevant to your content. So you have to just maintain your content strategy, not add too much irrelevant pictures, just add a relevant picture. If you have a one picture, you can add a one picture, but the picture quality is good and totally image is optimized. The other thing is that you have to do internal linking. What is internal? The internal linking is a thing in which you can add a link to your own website, not other website. This is called external linking. So for external linking, example, if I am writing how to do on-page SEO by optimizing your content. So if is my other blog post is related to content, so I will just select the content and select the anchor text to content, and then I give internal link to my relevant blog or the post or the page. So this is the main thing, is that the internal linking, because if you see many big agencies such like Neil Patel and other, so you can check they are focusing on internal link rather than the more external links. So you have to just focus on your internal links. Internal links are the main thing. Do not do over smart in the internal linking. Just give a best internal linking and relevant internal linking to your posts. The other thing is that external linking. So the external linking is the link that you will give from your content to other websites. So the main thing is that from our point of view, my strategy is that you can give an external link to any related website, any good authority website. So Google love to see, the bots love to see that you are giving an external link to another website. So this is the best thing to optimize your on-page SEO or any content page or blog. So external linking is also best. The other thing is that you have to do a best page experience or layout. If your page is not good, you are using a black color in the background but using a silver color above the black, so your content will be dull, so your content will be not looking nice. So for the bots, for the users, you have to give them a easy way to learn the things and to check the things that are correct in a correct way, and the coloring is good, because if you not using a good colors, not getting a good content, and not using a best buttons with the same size, you have to not just put the buttons one in yellow and one is the red, you have to just give the button with the same size, and with the good links, or not use too many buttons in the page or something like that. Yeah, if your page of services, you can use many buttons. So for the page experience, you have to just focus on your coloring, your fonts, your H1 style, your H2 style, and all of the things in the page you are doing. So this is totally the page experience. The other thing is that the page speed. Page speed. You have to must check after doing these things. You have at the last you have to check your page speed. You can check this from Page Speed Insights and just put your URL, your page or post URL on which you are doing on-page SEO. You can check and must check these things, because if your page speed is down, no user, in the start there are user come, but the Google will see the page speed is not good, the Google will not give you a ranking. So all these factors are the main pillars in the on-page SEO and for the ranking, because Google loves and Google collect all the signals. If you miss anyone, if you miss anyone, you cannot get a ranking. Maybe you will get for some time, but if you want to get a better position for a long term, just focus on these points. Then you will get a better position in this. Yeah, the last thing is that you have to just focus on your content strategy, what you are delivering and what you are promising with your users and with the Google. Because if you will cross wall of content, the wall of content is the best thing. You have to focus on that. Example, my topic is on-page SEO, so I will not cover off-page topics in this my content. So the main thing is that don't cross wall of content. Wall of content. Don't be smart, because many people, they will become too smart and write too much things. So there is no possibility, and Google is not saying you have to just write down all the things and you have to just write 3000 or 4000 words, then you will be ranked. If you can check many blogs, they are on the top position with the some maybe 300 words or 400 words. So don't be smart, this is the main thing. And also don't cross wall of the content. The content strategy is the best thing. You have to just focus your content strategy the more. If you focus on your content strategy more, your results will be good. Because there are the many content writers, they will don't do their work properly. They will just be smart, only be smart, and we will pay a lot of the money. Maybe we will pay $10 for only for the one blog, and this is a big amount, but the content will be not good. So you have to just focus on these things. So these are the basically the points of the on-page SEO, and when you do these things properly for every page. And so from our point of view, when you write any blog post, you have to just must check your previous blogs and optimize more, because with the time the keywords will be changed, the user's intent will be changed. Maybe if you are targeting USA or UK, sometime the user intent will be changed, and you have to just look for the new keywords and add into it, because there are some new terms and the new technical jargons you have to must use in your page or the blog. So these are the things. When you try on your website, then you will see results slowly. Not, I will say, you will not see result like this, you will see results like this, because as you know, the slow and steady win the race. So this is the basic thing in the SEO. You have to be patient for the results, and when you do these things, you will automatically get the results. And this is today our lecture regarding to on-page. If you have any queries related to this, you can email us on info@scalabilitymedia.com. You can contact us. Have a good day.